was 10-10. You know 10-10?
Yeah.
You go up to your local hobo and you're like, have you saw 10-10? Yeah, 10-10. Hey you! You look like you have financial troubles. Check out 10-10.
That voice sounds like my.
Free on iTunes.
That voice sounds like my uncle. No, my
Sponsored by Robot Papyrus. Hello, humans. Would you like to play a game or
The
eat
video. is
dessert?
Wait a minute.
What is going on?
Wait a minute.
Yeah. Sean is doing weird things.
Did you just kiss my arm?
Welcome back to the show of epicness. Yes, it's too epic for me, bro. Sean is eating Scott Cawthon, the creator of Five Nights at Freddy's. Have you seen Scott Cawthon? He is a homeless man. He ate all of the tin can that he can. He is very sad because he doesn't have a friend. But he said, I'm going to drive my car around the bend and up the cliff. Yes!